How to use Uber account for kids. First of all, open Uber application on your device. Then tap on your account option on the bottom right corner from your navigation bar. Now all you have to do is locate the family and teens option. However, this feature is not yet available in my region, so it is not shown over here. But if it is in yours, you should be able to find in this bottom option over here. Now all you have to do is simply tap on that option and tap the add new member and select teen option. Choose your kid's name from your phone contacts. They must have a valid phone number and be at least 13 years old. Ensure your preferred family payment method is up to date as all their trips and food orders will charge directly to your account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.